guys, Grandma is about to make pepper soup. Nigerian pepper soup. We're using liver, the tripes, and beef. And this one is I don't know which one is called. Abodi no. Ringy. Fukuna, but me have able. Here is the liver. Sorry, the tripes and beef together. So, Grandma don't want liver on it, the liver. What's it called on it? So the foam from the liver. So we cook it separately. What are you cooking here? Liam is here cooking. What are you cooking, Mr. Cook? Chef. Mr. Chef. Chefy. 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 Hi, Chefy. These are some of the things she doesn't even like in here. Chefy, wash them out of the phone. What is it? What is it? Da, what is it? Yes, what is it? I ask. What is it? So guys, here is our Nigerian spice all mixed together already. What do you look for sure? So Grandma is using a chicken curry. Grandma is she's using chicken now and beef now together. The major spice is just that the pepper soup spice that they put. That is the major spice, and I can already perceive the scent from this. The aroma is already romaning. It's romancing my nose already. Here comes the pepper. Grandma, you are not the only one that will eat this food. You are not the only one that will eat this food. Grandma want to kiss somebody. Oh. Grandma, oh yeah, oh yeah. What did Boria want to chana? I love a phone. Pepper soup. Grandma, if you reach Nigeria, you do pepper soup. You do normal soup. This one is normal soup. Grandma said, why is this called pepper soup if it's not for the pepper? So I told her when she reach Africa, she can do the pepper soup, the real pepper soup, the original pepper soup. She should make the fake one for us. Make the fake ones for us. So thank you. It's time to add water. Grandma is pepper soup, but we need this. We need the liquid. We need the liquid on this food. Pepper soup. See pepper. See pepper. See pepper soup. Also, no well then I me va dare o. Ndo pona me usawo. Ha, na me amebe pio lie. No. Yes, I said, what is doing something in my back? What is doing something in my back? You came. Yeah. I thought you left. Look there. What happened there? There? Oh, you were there? There? Come on for there. There? Come on for there. Come on for there. Live there. One. Wait. Yeah, die, go away. Yes, Grandma. Look at that. And rice is already ready.